Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke, where we talk about all things crypto. So in today's episode, we're going to jump right into the Bitcoin price in just a second. We're also going to consider this graphic. I thought this was very interesting from Altcoin Daily on Twitter, or X, I should say. And this was brought out by Ivan on Tech on his show, so you can go and check out Ivan on Tech's show, and he will go into the details about this graphic. So it's looking at the last three Bitcoin cycles and where we are right now in this current cycle leading up into the bull run. So stay tuned, we're going to look at this in just a second. We're also going to consider the top 5 high potential AI projects to turn $1,000 into $100,000. So stay tuned, we're going to look at that in just a second briefly. We will analyse especially one of those projects, and then you can do your own research on the other 4. So let's jump right into the Bitcoin price. And again, if you haven't done so already, smash up the like button, leave any comments in the comment section below. And I'm always interested in any questions, your comments. I do read them usually in the evening. So this will help my channel and also the algorithm for the crypto space. So jumping into the Bitcoin price. Again, over the weekend, nothing really major happened. We just we seem to go steady in an uptrend, but quite sideways to be fair. Last Friday we spoke about these train tracks that formed, as you can see there. Okay, these two. We had this pump about, I think it was about $2,000. You have a look. It was almost 10%. It was about 2,500. Then we had that quick dump down. So, what am I seeing right now in the charts as we speak? Well, if we take it down to the let's keep it on the daily. It'll be a lot easier. What I'm seeing right now is a potential. I know other crypto YouTubers have brought this out already, and it's true when you look at it. We've got this diamond formation. It's not the best drawing. Well, anyway, let's bring that in there. Okay, so we do have this diamond formation, and usually the target, we can take the top to the bottom. And what's interesting is with this target is that if we do break out over the next day or two, then we have this target of around, again, it hits the resistance line absolutely perfectly. So if we do see a breakout to the upside, then yeah, these diamond patterns, they can go either way, but if we do have a pump above this level of around 37,600, then that's where I would enter my long position. And just remember to put your stop losses, if you're doing a long, if you get in at around 37,006, just make sure you have your 1% stop loss. And then with this would be a risk to reward ratio of 7 to 1, so that's not a bad trade if you're longing. If you're shorting, you just do the opposite. Again, if you're shorting this, right there, let me just remove this, let me get rid of that. So if you're shorting this thing, if we do have a reversal and we come below 36,400, then you will probably, again, we've got this resistance here of around 34,000 and it hits it perfectly. So again, with this diamond formation, just wait for a clear breakout to the upside. You can put your long in, or if we go further down, then you can put your short in. And again, remember your stop losses so that you don't get wrecked in case this reverses on you. But yeah, we do have this diamond formation, this pattern, and so let's see what happens. Just again, just looking at the technicals before you jump into a trade, wait for the breakout. Don't chase the market, let the market come to you. So wait for that breakout. If we break down, why not short it? Again, not financial advice, you do what you want. If we break up to the upside, then the target is 40,000, which is this key resistance level, going all the way back, I believe, to April 25th, 2022. So we haven't been there in over 18 months, the $40,000 mark. And again, this just shows that we're coming out of this accumulation phase going into the bull run. And that's exactly what I wanted to show on this. It was actually on Twitter. We have the 3 year, the three past cycles, I should say, of the bear, the accumulation, and the bull. And as you can see, this was brought out by Altcoin Daily, and it was also on Ivan on Tech's show this morning. Very interesting show by Ivan on Tech, so go and check that out on YouTube. But as you can see right now, in 2023 going into 2024, how much longer do we have left of this accumulation phase? Well, a few months, maybe less than 6 months, and then we go into that parabolic bull run. Again, history rhymes. It doesn't obviously repeat perfectly, but if you just check out the last 3 cycles, you can clearly see that we have this 2-year bear market, the accumulation phase of a year, and then we have the year of the bull. So yeah, it's true that Altcoin Daily said the mainstream media refuses to show this on Bitcoin, but that's why we are here on YouTube to show you the facts of the last 3 cycles and what the next cycle could mean for us. And again, we had this, let's avoid this. I think we all know what this was. If you're not so sure, then just check out what happened in 2020 March. You probably remember. So good. So just jumping back over then into the Bitcoin price. So again, I'm just going to make it very clear for everybody, if you're trading this, just wait for that breakout. And if you are trading on Bybit, Bitflex or whatever, you've got an affiliate link in my description below. So you can go on the link and trade to your heart's content if you want to go long. If you want to go short, then you can use my affiliate link in the description below. So just be careful. Again, wait for the breakout, and then you can trade, go long or go short, or whatever you wish. And one more thing is that we are in this uptrend. The trend is your friend to the end. So I expect us to go and reach the 40,000 and not reverse, even though we had that bearish divergence on the RSI. There's also a possibility that we do go lower to 30k, but my opinion, I think we will touch the 40,000 mark first, but I could be wrong, so let's wait and see what happens. So just jumping over into this piece of news, the top 5 high potential AI projects to turn your 1,000 into 100,000. So what are they? They are, I will tell you, Veracity, Imagine AI, Chain GPT. So if you like, or if you've used Chat GPT, then Chain GPT is similar, but in the blockchain, it's actually generating smart contracts. Very interesting. Looking at this, I mean, you can read this yourself. We also have Hera Finance and Matrix AI, but the one I wanted to focus on, because I know a little bit about it, is the Veracity project. So Veracity again stands at the forefront of combating ad fraud through its open registry ecosystem. So it deploys artificial intelligence and machine learning and advanced blockchain technologies. And the introduction of the Vera wallet, I think it comes out at Q4 of this year, provides users with a secure space for earning, buying, storing and staking VRA tokens. It's used for funding ad campaign staking through Vera wallet and making payments via VeraPay. And VRA is the driving force behind Veracity's vision for a transparent digital landscape. So again, you can check out Veracity, but one thing which I really, I've always been attracted to Veracity for some reason. I don't know why, but looking at the point here that it's in gaming, that's how I found this a few years ago. but it's also in AI and big data and collectibles and NFTs. So it kind of covers all of these areas. And if you're new to the channel, then the reason why I started my YouTube channel is mainly to talk about gaming, but also I'm leaning also towards AI, because I think gaming and AI will be the future in the crypto space. My opinion, gaming is going to be a $1 trillion asset. So, I mean, tell me what you think. If you agree with me, if not, then leave comments in the comment section below. But also with artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, these two things, gaming as well, are going to go from strength to strength and blow up in over the next decade, 2 decades. So yeah, Veracity covers all these different things. We can see the Veracity also provides payment solutions and a rewarding staking ecosystem with 15% yields guaranteed through to April 2024. I mean, again, you can check these guys out. There's about 50 on the, I think, there's 50 people that work on this. They're based in London, I believe, and you can check the roadmap. The roadmap's actually coming to an end, Q4 right now. But yeah, you can see what they've done since 2017, and so I'm interested in seeing what is next for Veracity. So this coin is, I believe, around the 346th place. It's currently, the market cap is 73 million, and it has a circulating supply of 10 billion. So it's not even 1 cent at the moment. It's about 0.07, and so we're at, I mean, bargain prices if you want to dollar cost average into Veracity. So this is definitely something that I'll be looking at. I remember holding some of this in the last bull run, and I made quite a bit of profit with this, and I believe that we will probably do something similar again with Veracity. But what's interesting is you can't find Veracity on the 2 major exchanges, Coinbase and Binance, but you can find it on KuCoin, Uniswap, Bitfinex, and others. So again, this is something that I'll be looking at. It's in gaming, it's also AI, machine learning, NFTs, so it kind of covers the lot. But yeah, do your own research on this, and let me know what you think in the comments below. The other 4, just quickly go over them. So we have Imagine AI, Chain GPT, Hera Finance, and Matrix AI Network. And I mean, you can read this yourself and look, do your own research, especially to find out more about these projects. I'm currently looking at the other 4 because I only know Veracity, but I'll let you know if I come across anything exceptional with these 4 cryptos. But yeah, do your own research and make your own conclusions if you're going to dollar cost average into AI and gaming. So it's just, yeah, a quick look at these projects, and it might sound a bit insane that you can turn 1,000 into, but I mean, I've seen this. I mean, I did this myself. I turned 500 euros into over 100,000 over the last bull run, but I didn't get out in time, so I lost like 90%. And you know, when you think, oh, it's going to go more, it's going to go more, so that's when greed comes in. So that's why, another reason why I started the YouTube channel is to highlight that important thing. Don't get greedy, have a plan, have an exit plan, and yeah, these things, they do happen in the world of crypto, where you do I mean, 1,000 to 100,000, it can happen, but you have to have a plan to start taking profits off the table. So it's not an exaggeration. These things are possible in the world of crypto. So again, just let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think AI and crypto gaming are going to explode? If there's anything that you want me to talk about, any crypto project in gaming or even in AI, machine learning, then just send me a message in the comment section below. So again, all these things, dollar cost averaging into gaming, AI, machine learning, NFTs, collectibles, or whatever, we're in the best position right now in this accumulation phase to get your positions in before we enter that parabolic bull run, because then everything follows. You'll be 10, 20, 30, 100xing your portfolio if you get into these projects right now and not jump into the projects during the bull run, because it'll be too late and you'll just be FOMOing into these projects. But again, you do what you want. This is not financial advice, it's just for educational purposes only. Tomorrow we will continue to look at the Bitcoin price and some more gaming, some other AI projects, and the rest of the... I think I'm at the top 70, 80 crypto coins that I need to look at. So we'll jump into that this week as well. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. A thumbs up would be nice for the algorithm. And have a great Monday, and I will see you all tomorrow.